If you are wondering if we have a memory card slot on the Xiaomi 15T, then the answer is unfortunately no. We have only space for 2 SIM cards. So you can use 2 nano SIM cards over here on the SIM tray. As you can see, this is how it looks like. But we cannot really use the microSD card like that. The microSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray. So there is no way to actually insert it. If you really wish to use a memory card, then in that case what you can do is you can use a memory card reader. Now in my case I have this huge memory card reader. It has USB-C cable, so I can connect it to the phone. So the idea is that we insert the memory card into the memory card reader and then we just connect it to the phone. Simple as that. There we go. And then we can access the storage. Of course, it is inconvenient to use on a daily basis because, well, who would like to walk with this big of a tool of accessory? But in certain situations where you do want to transfer files between the microSD card and the internal storage, then of course you can use something like this. There are smaller memory card readers as well, so you can try to use that instead. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.